Hey all! Today, we're going to explore a simple yet fascinating experiment that tests for the presence of starch in some common foods using iodine solution. Starch is a vital nutrient, and understanding how to detect it can give us insight into the food we eat. For this experiment, we're gonna need iodine solution, a dropper, food sample like bread, banana, raw potato, and petri dish. When iodine comes into contact with the starch, it changes color to blue-black, indicating a positive result. Petri dish 1, bread. Petri dish 2, raw potato. Petri dish 3, banana. Now, let's start with the bread. I'm going to apply a drop of iodine solution on it, and as you can see, it turns a clear blue-black color. This means the bread contains starch. Next, let's try the raw potato. I'm going to place a drop of iodine here, and we see the latter blue-black color appear, indicating a positive result for starch. Finally, let's test the banana. Remember, the color change might be less intense if the banana is ripe. I'm going to apply iodine, and there it is. Blue-black color, showing the presence of starch. When explaining the color change in starch testing using iodine solution, it's important to note that the color intensity can vary based on the food sample. For example, in a ripe banana, the color might be a lighter blue-black due to the lower starch content as it converts to sugar. In contrast, a less ripe banana, which has a higher starch content, will likely show a darker blue-black color. This variation occurs because the starch concentration influences the depth of the color change when iodine is applied. So, why is starch important for our bodies? Awesome! Starch is a complex carbohydrate that serves as a primary energy source. When we eat starchy foods, our bodies break them down into glucose, providing us with sustained energy throughout the day. Starch-rich foods also essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals supporting our overall health and digestion. In summary, the bread, raw potato, and banana all tested positive for starch, each showing the characteristic blue-black color when iodine was applied. This simple experiment helps us understand more about the foods we eat and the nutrients they provide. I encourage you to try this experiment at home or in our classroom. It's a great way to learn about the science of food. Now, it's your turn. Grab your pocket guide, gather your materials, and follow the instructions carefully. Use these steps I demonstrated in this video as your guide while conducting your experiment. If needed, feel free to rewatch this video to ensure you're on the right track. Don't forget to answer all the questions on pages 3 and 4. This is Dr. Pablo, your biology teacher. Thank you and mabuhay!